here that the clutch acts as an oil slinger. All this is just gunk and just sludge that's been cleaned out of the oil. And if you look close, I think you can see all of the bits of the sprocket we have to replace. Little shiny pieces of metal. So it's probably a good thing we pulled this off and clean all this garbage out of here. And I gotta pull the clutch off so I can get to the oil pump, and we'll inspect that real good. But I gotta get to the oil pump so I can take the shaft out and change that sprocket on the other side. Well, there you have it. We got a fair bit done today. Got some paint on these guys, got some paint on the cases, and I put a new, I got an engine bolt kit, stainless steel, 8mm hex heads. So starting to install those. Still need to put a seal in here, swap that seal, got the new sprocket in. Short video for you today, but I'm glad I'm finally making some progress on it. Thanks for watching.